हाय फ्रेंड्स, आई एम एडवोकेट जया शिवा। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एडवर्स पोजेशन। इससे पहले कि मैं आज का टॉपिक शुरू करूं, आई वुड लाइक टू रिमाइंड यू कि आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस ऑन डिफरेंट अदर टॉपिक्स, लाइक इन केस एफआईआर इज नॉट रजिस्टर्ड इन द पुलिस स्टेशन, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्टेप्स यू कैन टेक, and maintenance of wife and children, maintenance of senior citizens, National Commission of Women, National Commission of Protection of Child Rights. So I hope you have gone through these videos. In case if you have not, you can refer to my channel Advocate Jaya Shiva, and you can see these videos. And in case if you think that these videos can help somebody, please share it with them. Also, if you want, you can like my videos, and if you have any questions, any comments, please do comment. It helps me understand your requirements, and in case if any questions are there, I'll be really happy to answer the questions that you have. So let's start. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एडवर्स पोजेशन। एडवर्स पोजेशन, जैसे कि नाम से ही आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा, पोजेशन अगेंस्ट द विल ऑफ द ओनर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी। तो एडवर्स पोजेशन का जो हमारा एक मेजर केस आया था अभी रिसेंटली, इसकी एक जजमेंट आई थी। केस था रविंदर कौर ग्रेवाल एंड अदर्स वर्सेस मंजीत कौर एंड अदर्स। सो ये अगस्त 2019 की जजमेंट है। इसमें क्या हुआ था कि एडवर्स पोजेशन के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने स्टेट किया था कि इन केस इफ यू हैव बीन a possessor of a particular land and you have been taken care of the land, and because of which the quality of the land is retained or maybe it is enhanced, and the owner of the property is showing a total neglect towards the land or the property, and you claim that you would not be able to hand over the property or evict the property, and you'd like to claim the title of the property, and still they do not take any legal action after this declaration for another 12 years, then you can file a declaratory suit against the owner to hand over the title of the particular property to you. तो इस केस के बाद एडवर्स पोजेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट ही चेंज हो गया। पहले जो पोजेसर था वो डिफेंडेंट बन के अपनी सफाई पेश करता था, वो अपने क्लेम्स देता था, वो समझाता था कि आई हैव बीन टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द लैंड। बट नाउ इन केस इफ यू थिंक दैट इट्स बीन मोर देन 12 years that you have been taking care of a particular property and the owner is showing a proper neglect, and even after claiming the rights over the property, owner does not take any legal action, you can file a declaratory suits after claiming the title, after informing him that you would not be able to evict the property. So let's continue. तो essential elements क्या हो, जब ये एसेंशियल एलिमेंट्स कवर होंगे उसके बाद ही आप एडवर्स पोजेशन के लिए आप एलिजिबल हो सकते हैं। या अगर आपका कोई और रिलेटिव है या कोई नोन पर्सन है विच यू हैव हैंडेड ओवर द लैंड और अ प्रॉपर्टी टू, and then you would like to know whether they are entitled for adverse possession or not, these are the essential element that has to be covered so that they can be eligible for that kind of suit. सबसे पहला the first point is actual physical possession of the property. So for an instance, if somebody is taking care of the property by staying there, then this point is covered. But for an instance, sometimes people say that I have appointed somebody, I am paying money to them, and I am asking them to take care of the property, but I am not staying there, I am not doing it individually by myself, then they cannot claim this kind of possession, adverse possession. Second essential point is that the possession should be open and notorious. Everybody should know that you are residing at their that property, and you are a possessor of that particular property or land or residence or whatever property is it. Then everybody, it should be known to one and all that you are the possessor of that property. Third important point is that continuous and uninterrupted. So it should not be interrupted. You should live there for more than 12 years. And for an instance, you have been living there for a while, and then you ask the owner that I would like to own this property and I would not be able to evict this property. and after that for another 12 years they do not take any legal action, they neglect this property, then you can claim the declaratory suit. You can file a declaratory suit for that particular property. So uninterrupted and continuous and peaceful possession of that property is also an essential element. If they have filed a suit against you during this period and if they have taken any legal action, then you won't be eligible for that particular adverse possession. And last but not least, the most important point is hostile possession. If the owner has allowed you to stay at that property, then you cannot claim adverse possession of that particular property. So in case if for an instance, if you're residing there, you're possessing that property is against the will of the owner, only then you can claim this kind of adverse possession. So I hope these points really help you, and in case if you want, we can further discuss this topic in detail. But in case if you have any questions regarding this essential elements also, you can write in comments, you can ask questions and I will be really happy to answer you. And please subscribe to my channel for many more such interesting topics. And I hope this video helps you. Please share it with somebody who may really need this information. And thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.